We face challenges every day. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, life throws various obstacles our way. Some challenges are out in the open, easy to spot and address, but others are hidden, lurking in the shadows, waiting to strike when we least expect it. Carbon monoxide, or CO, is one of those hidden dangers. It's often called the silent killer for a reason. You can't see it, you can't smell it, you can't taste it. But despite its invisibility, it can hurt you. CO is a gas that can be deadly. It comes from burning fuel. Everyday household items like gas stoves, furnaces, and even fireplaces can produce it. Things like gas stoves and heaters make it. Cars make it too. Any appliance or vehicle that burns fuel can be a source of CO. If these things are not working right, Colorado can build up in your home. This is very dangerous. Even a small malfunction can lead to a significant risk. A CO meter is your best defense. It's a small device that can make a big difference. It's like a smoke alarm, but for CO. Just as a smoke alarm alerts you to fire, a CO meter warns you about carbon monoxide. It will warn you if there's a problem. The alarm will sound, giving you a crucial heads up. This gives you time to get to safety. You can evacuate your home and call for help before it's too late. Remember, your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you feel safe and secure. It should be a safe place, a haven from the outside world. Don't let CO turn it into a danger zone. Be proactive in protecting your loved ones. Arm yourself with knowledge and a CO meter. Stay safe out there. Take the necessary steps to ensure your home remains a sanctuary, free from the silent danger of carbon monoxide. We need to know our enemy. Carbon monoxide is a gas. It's odorless, colorless, and tasteless. It's produced when fuels don't burn completely. Think of things like gas stoves and ovens, water heaters, fireplaces, and cars. When these things don't work right, they can release CO. This is bad news. CO is harmful because it replaces oxygen in your blood. This can make you sick very quickly. Choosing the right CO meter is important. It can be the difference between life and death in a critical situation. Look for one with a digital display. This feature allows you to easily monitor the CO levels in your home at a glance. This makes it easy to see the CO levels and take immediate action if necessary. Make sure it has an alarm. The alarm will alert you with a loud sound if dangerous levels of CO are detected. This will warn you if CO is detected, giving you and your family time to evacuate and seek help. Some CO meters have extra features. These can be helpful in providing additional safety and convenience. A peak level indicator tells you the highest CO level recorded, which can be crucial information for diagnosing issues. A battery backup keeps it working during a power outage. This ensures continuous protection, even when the power is out. Remember, this is a life-saving device. It's essential to have a reliable CO meter in your home. Don't go for the cheapest option. Choose a reliable brand that has good reviews and meets safety standards. Your safety is worth it. Investing in a high-quality CO meter can provide peace of mind and protect your loved ones. Section 4. Setting your defenses, where to place your CO meter. Placement is key. Install CO meters on every level of your home. Place them near bedrooms. This way, you'll be alerted if CO is present while you sleep. Don't install them too close to fuel-burning appliances. Keep them at least 15 feet away. This ensures accurate readings. Avoid placing them near windows or vents. This can interfere with their accuracy. Section 5. Sound the alarm, testing and understanding CO levels. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to ensure your home is safe from the dangers of carbon monoxide. Test your CO meter regularly. Press the test button to ensure it is functioning correctly. Regular testing is crucial for your safety. This checks if the alarm is working. The meter will display CO levels in parts per million, or ppm. Understanding these readings can help you take appropriate action. Here's what the readings mean. 0 to 9 parts per million, normal. No action needed. This range indicates that your home environment is safe and free from harmful CO levels, 10 to 35 parts per million. Possible long-term exposure. Ventilate the area, open windows and doors to allow fresh air to circulate and reduce CO levels. 35 to 50 parts per million. Get everyone out immediately. Call for help. This level of CO is dangerous and requires immediate action to protect your health. High CO levels are dangerous. It's important to discuss CO safety with your family and ensure everyone knows what to do in case of an emergency. If you experience symptoms like headache, dizziness, or nausea, get to fresh air immediately. These symptoms can be signs of CO poisoning, and prompt action can save lives. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of your loved ones. Section 6. Stay alert, stay safe, maintenance and prevention tips. Keep your CO meter clean. Dust and debris can affect its performance. Replace the batteries regularly. Most meters have a low battery indicator. Have your fuel-burning appliances serviced annually. This will help prevent CO leaks. Never leave your car running in a closed garage. Remember, prevention is key. Be aware of the dangers of CO. Stay vigilant. Stay safe.